Hola amigos, welcome back to another Spanish lesson. Today, we're going to tackle something that can trip up a lot of learners, Spanish prepositions. But don't worry, we'll break it down in a way that's super easy to follow. By the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident using them. So, let's dive right in and make Spanish prepositions easy. Section 1. Introduction to prepositions. First, what are prepositions? In Spanish, just like in English, prepositions are words that connect nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other parts of a sentence. They help show relationships, like where something is, when it happens, or how things are related. Let's look at some examples and get comfortable with the basics. Section 2. Common prepositions. Let's start with some of the most common Spanish prepositions that you'll use all the time. These are really helpful for building sentences in everyday conversation. A. This is the Spanish word for to. Example, voy a la tienda. I'm going to the store. Let's say that together. Voy a la tienda. De. This can mean a or from. Example, la casa de mi amigo. My friend's house. Let's repeat that. La casa de mi amigo. And this means in or on. Example, estoy en casa. I'm at home. Say it with me, estoy en casa. See how simple those are? These prepositions are essential building blocks in Spanish, and you'll use them all the time. Section 3. Prepositions of place. Next, let's dive into prepositions of place, which help you describe where things are. These are great for conversations about locations or directions. Sobre means on or over. Example, el libro está sobre la mesa. The book is on the table. Let's say that again, el libro está sobre la mesa. Debajo de means under. Example, el gato está debajo de la cama. The cat is under the bed. Repeat after me, el gato está debajo de la cama. Entre means between. Example, el coche está entre las árboles. The car is between the trees. Let's repeat that one more time, el coche está entre las árboles. These prepositions help you talk about the world around you. Practice using them when describing where things are in your daily life. For example, mi teléfono está sobre la mesa. My phone is on the table. Section 4. Prepositions of time. Now, let's move on to prepositions of time. These help you explain when something happens. Por often means for or during. Example, trabajo por la mañana. I work in the morning. Say it with me, trabajo por la mañana. Desde means since or from. Example, he vivido aquí desde 2015. I've lived here since 2015. Let's say that again, he vivido aquí desde 2015. Hasta means until. Example, no trabajo hasta mañana. I don't work until tomorrow. Repeat after me, no trabajo hasta mañana. Prepositions of time are great for organizing your day. You can say things like voy al cine por la tarde, I'm going to the movies in the afternoon. Section 5. Prepositions for direction. Finally, let's look at prepositions for direction, which help explain where things are going. Hacia means towards. Example, camino hacia la escuela. I'm walking towards the school. Let's repeat that, camino hacia la escuela. Contra means against. Example, la pelota está contra la pared. The ball is against the wall. Say it with me, la pelota está contra la pared. Alrededor de means around. Example, hay flores alrededor de la casa. There are flowers around the house. Let's say that again, hay flores alrededor de la casa. These prepositions will be helpful when giving or understanding directions. For example, camino hacia el parque, I'm walking towards the park, is a great sentence to practice, conclusion and practice, and there you have it. Those are some of the most common Spanish prepositions made easy. Remember, practice is key. Try using these prepositions in your everyday conversations or even when describing things around you. Subscribe for more Spanish lessons.